since clove is rich in beta-carotene. It boosts the tissue under the scalp and heightens blood flow. The compound in onionoil helps to promote hair growth when applied directly to the roots. Clove contains a number of vital vitamins and minerals that allow your hair to flourish. It also eliminates dandruff and irritated scalp conditions. Using this provides abundant and long-lasting moisture for your hair. Clove has also been known to prevent premature graying, reduces hair fall, hair thinning, balding, and receding hairline. Good news is most of us already have this ingredient in our cabinet. Main benefit of black tea is it contains a lot of caffeine, and caffeine is great for obviously promoting growth and stimulating blood flow to the scalp. Black tea also prevents hair loss, irritation on the scalp, and promotes hair growth. It's also going to help boost shine and strengthen the hair as well. Boil until only 1 cup of water left. I have used almond oil, but you can use whichever oil you prefer for your own hair. I'm using this on hand to show how it should turn out. But when finished, pour into spray bottle and spray on scalp, hair roots. If you don't have spray bottle, it's fine too. Apply with cotton pad onto hair. Massage for 2 minutes. So, if you want to get long, strong, and shiny hair naturally, follow this simple remedy and have beautiful hair.